What we're going to cover today in this workshop is a bunch of awesome stuff for you. There's going to be lots of learning for you. We're going to talk about the details of what form is and how we identify correct form. We're going to talk about different types of equipment, different options, and what you need to consider when you're choosing equipment for specific exercises. We're going to look at some specific videos of exercises and equipment changes and how they've improved form in those exercises. And then I'm going to give you a bunch of different exercises to work on for the material for this workshop. When we look at the back feet, because of your dog's angulation and structure, they're not going to be directly underneath the hips. Instead, they're usually going to be slightly backwards behind the pelvis. The key indicator we want to look at to make sure if we know if those back feet are positioned appropriately is the hocks. So the hocks should be vertical if they're placed in an appropriate position. Again, like the forelimbs, we would like those back feet to be placed evenly, about pelvis distance apart, not rotating outwards, inwards, or toeing inwards or outwards. Rectangular shape allows for better alignment, particularly of feet when they're targeting them. When your dog targets the round wobble cushion with their feet, just because of the shape of the cushion and how their feet are sort of made, they have a tendency to either rotate their ankles out or rotate their paws out on the edge of that circular wobble cushion. When they target a rectangular item, it's much easier for them to keep their feet aligned correctly and hold better form. Silicone mats with his front feet. He's done that in foundations for lots of his other agility work. So this is his first session on this exercise. We put these silicone target mats in to see if it would help his understanding of where he should put that foot when it comes off the platforms. And you can see that not only has this helped with his understanding, but his form has immediately improved because we can control where he puts that foot that he steps off the platform.